So the Bible verse for today comes from Jeremiah 1 verse 5, and it says, "Before I formed thee in the belly, I knew thee, and before thou camest forth out of the womb, I sanctified thee a prophet unto the nations." Hi guys, if you're ready for a positive change and want to transform your life, well, this video is for you. We all have habits that we want to change, whether it's unhealthy eating, biting your nails, or even procrastinating. As written in the title, I'm going to discuss how you can break bad habits and create new and positive ones. So get your pen, get your paper, and let's begin. Now, when it comes to breaking bad habits, I know that sometimes it's hard to do so, but with the right mindset and the right tactics, it is achievable. You can start by identifying the unhealthy habits in your life. This will help you to know what you need to work on. You also need to understand what is causing or what is triggering your bad habits. Now, bad habits can be triggered by stress, boredom, or certain circumstances. When you identify the trigger or the cause, it can help you to break the cycle, and things like changing your eating habits to healthier activities can help a lot. Now, after you identify your triggers or your causes, I want you to establish clear and realistic objectives. So instead of saying, "I want to stop eating junk food," say, "I will replace one unhealthy snack with a piece of fruit every day for this week." This will make it a whole lot easier for you to track your progress. Now, when it comes to breaking bad habits, it's best to replace these bad habits with a positive one. For example, you want to reduce the time that you spend on social media, then replace it with activities such as reading, exercising, or even taking the time to learn a new skill. This way, you're not just breaking a habit, you're also filling in the gap with something more productive. Now, try not to overwhelm yourself by trying to fix everything at once. Start small and then build up. For example, if you want to start exercising more frequently, then start with 10 to 20 minutes a day. Small victories will build momentum and make the process easier to manage as you go on. Now, the next thing I want you to do is to keep track of your progress. Create a habit tracker or get a notebook to record your successes and your failures, and celebrate all your achievements and learn from the challenges and the failures that you faced along the way. Now, remember to reward yourself when you reach your goals, because this is a great motivator. Now, treat yourself with something that you like when you stick to a new habit successfully. It can be a small treat or even a relaxing activity. Now, it is normal to experience failures because failures is a natural thing, but don't see them as setbacks. View them as opportunities that you can learn from. Think about what caused you to fail and adjust your strategy and move forward. Now, change is something that takes time. It's not just an overnight thing. Be patient, and in due time, you'll find yourself living a more fulfilled and positive life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications to get updated whenever I upload a new video. Stay positive and keep striving for the best, and I will see you in the next video.